Hello, fabulous friends. Princess Tessa here with another fabulous video. Welcome to my fabulous life. So today's fabulous adventure, we're going back to Galveston, Texas, to the Rainforest Cafe's Rainforest River Ride. So let's get started. Now, on with the show.
Well, it's a good thing after you just say it or not.
Oh, wow. Look at this, fabulous friends. This is the only Rainforest Cafe that has this ride. Oh wow, and the conda. And then look. And zebra. The Nile crocodile. So this is like the Asian temple. Uh-oh. Oh, good. Wow. It spits. Wow, fabulous friends. What a fun, fabulous adventure to the rainforest at the Rainforest Cafe River Ride. Oh, my sparkle. We had so much fun on that ride. I definitely highly recommend going to the Rainforest Cafe in Galveston, Texas, which is the only Rainforest Cafe that has that ride. So if you ever get a chance to, go and check that ride out because it was so much fun. And even though it's really simple and very relaxed, it makes you feel like you were right there. And it was just a fun little fabulous adventure. And my little friend right here, little cheetah fidget, enjoyed it too. Well, I hope all of you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please comment down below and let me know what you think. And also let me know, have you been to the Rainforest Cafe River Ride? Let me know. I hope, and also don't forget to give us a big giant thumbs up, because with every thumbs up adds a little extra sparkle to my tiara. I hope all of you dream big, live your story, and I will see you in the next fabulous adventure. Bye, y'all.